Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tally for AI-assisted survey analysis. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started with Tally for AI-assisted survey analysis, open your web browser. Navigate to the Tally website. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Read through the terms and conditions. After reviewing, check the box to agree to them. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Tally. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Tally platform after verifying your email. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in any additional details required for your account. This may include your company name and role. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Surveys section on the dashboard. Click on Create New Survey to begin. Choose your survey type and fill in the necessary questions. After completing your survey, click on Save or Publish. Once your survey is live, collect responses over your desired time frame. Navigate back to the dashboard to access your survey results. Click on the survey to view response analytics. Utilize Tally's AI-assisted tools to analyze your survey data. Explore various reporting options to visualize the data effectively. Adjust filters and settings to refine your analysis. Finally, download or share your findings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.